my god, what do you want to do? You want to be ninjas at the church?
Let's dance and sing.
Let's dance and sing. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, dude, if the cops come, will we get arrested? For coming on a church's property, don't they want us to like learn about fucking religion and stuff like that?
Yeah, we would, because we're trespassing at church.
Dude, if I can fucking trespass on any fucking church I want to.
I could fucking egg the church better too.
Hey, look, that's the egg mark we made like forever ago. Wait, yeah. Destiny, what would you have to say about that?
Eggs, yeah, eggs.
Dude, there's like an eggshell. Wait, I'm in the way. Dude, look at me. I am like total goth right now. Ooh. Look at me. Look at me. Sexy, I know. Dude, I'm a total freak. I'm super freaky. Yeah. Fuck the fucking church.
I don't know if you can see it.
Fuck it.
There's an egg mark.
Fuck it.
Fucking church.
No, it's like too dark.
The dog starts barking, like, yeah, fun, leave.
Dude,
We're super,
hold it.
super freaky.
Oh my god, I'm like totally dead.
Oh my god, you're dead at a church. Is that illegal? Is that legal?
Dude.
She could be fucking dead at a fucking church if she wants to. Take her to jail. She doesn't fucking care. She's dead.
But it's like, I'm a vampire. Beware of me.
The dogs are barking again.
Oh,
No. Yeah, I taped it. It's like this, bitch.
Nice one.
That was a mistake.
What?
Ready?
Okay, we're done now. Fuck yes!
At a church.